Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you one way to save money with this simple almond butter recipe. This homemade almond butter recipe requires two simple ingredients, almonds and a bit of patience. In the end of it all, your hard work will pay off and you will have the best tasting almond butter ever, so hold tight. For this recipe I used about a pound of raw almonds, which is roughly about 3 cups. I brought a bag of 1 kg of almonds from Amazon for about £8, which works out to save you a lot of money. I've seen almond butters that cost as much as £16, which is way too much over my budget. So if you want to save yourself some money and still use almond butter and reap the nutritional benefits, stick around and let's get into it. What I like to do before blending the nuts is to pop it into the oven for about 10 minutes at 176 degrees Celsius, just to warm up the almond nuts a bit, which saves some time when blending in a food processor. Obviously, this step is completely optional as the almonds will heat up regardless. However, I just like doing this step because it saves me time when blending. Once the almonds is out of the oven, add the almonds into the bowl of your food processor, attach the kit and start processing. After a short while, you'll start to notice that the ground almonds will start to collect around the edges of the bowl. So every few minutes, I stop and scrape down the sides just to keep everything blending evenly. So depending on the size of your food processor, you'll notice a change start to happen around the 10 to 15 minute mark. When the oils are released from the almonds, they'll start to stick together and form large clumps that moves around the bowl. So you also notice that the butter is starting to get warm as well. After about 20 minutes of consistent processing, just about the time where you feel like you're ready to give up, magic will happen. You'll finally have a grainy looking almond butter. But don't worry, you're almost there. After a few more minutes of processing, your almond butter will become smooth and creamy. Once this is done, wait for the almond butter to cool down, then transfer to the glass jar of your choice. If your almond butter is still warm, don't put the lid until it's completely cooled down, as the steam will cause it to spoil faster. Here's a storage tip. Homemade almond butter can be stored for at least about 2 weeks in the fridge, but mine often lasts longer. So just be careful not to introduce any moisture to the jar. And there you have it, almond butter. I like to eat this with apple slices, coconut clusters, and my toast for breakfast. That works as a nutritional treat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and leave a comment down below if you decide to try this recipe and let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.